Hey, what's up everyone? Today is a good day. Picked up something a little bit different. Always been in the Mustang game, but before that I was a big Jeep guy and into BMWs. Always wanted a Lambo and just could never really pull the trigger on it, just multiple reasons, but finally caved and bought an Audi R8 2017 R7 Plus with a Sheepey twin turbo kit. So picking that up, and we'll do a little video just cold start from the trailer and then do a little walk around in the shop. So hope you enjoy it. All right, so R8's in the shop. Took the front emblem off. Also replaced that little Quattro badge that was on there with an Audi Sport. I just think it looks a little bit better, but overall, really impressed with the car. I'll get some driving videos, but have some big plans for this one. A lot of it's done, which is nice. This car had the Sheepey Stage 1 twin turbo kit on it. So if you can see one turbo there, and then you can see this one on that side, sort of. Lots of carbon fiber. You see the little sheeps in there. Overall, just a beautiful car. So different than the Mustangs. It's pushing around 8 something. It just feels like an absolute rocket ship. Have a couple parts on that already showed up. Need to get that ride height just right. So H&R sleeve kit. Got some spacers coming, a little bit bigger of a wing. Also doing a little front splitter, just because that one that they give you from Audi is kind of dinky. So just kind of go from there. Overall, the interior is in really good shape. With it being a Plus, it's got the diamond stitch seats. It's got the Alcantara ceiling. Had the car tinted recently. Thing is just, I mean, it drives like a normal car or it drives like a race car. I mean, it's super impressive. Can't wait to put my stamp on this one. So be on the lookout for some future videos with all the changes.